家好，咁歡迎嚟返我個頻道啦。咁今日咧就係想講下嗰啲即係學中文嘅有啲 story 啦，咁都想同大家分享下嘅。咁首先我想講咧就係我個頻道咧，其實平時係唔係講即係日日講廣東話，我係做呢個 challenge 係講廣東話嘅，講廣東話。不過咧，我就一路都係想用廣東話同埋普通話，即係呢啲視頻喺我嘅 channel 嗰度嘅，就係想首先講呢個。咁今日咧就想講下有啲字咧，我學即係嚟喺書本嗰度未學過，咁之後去到廣州嗰陣時，我先學到嘅。第一個字咧就我知道即係第一次聽咧就係支付呢個字。咁支付咧呢個字其實喺書本嗰度係我未見過又未學過嘅。咁之後我係去有一次喺 Walmart 定係邊度，即係唔知邊個鋪頭，佢嗰度寫住就話即係支付嘅方式係點樣嘅。咁即係有微信同埋支付寶嗰個 logo 喺嗰度，咁我先知道哦，支付嘅意思就係你點樣俾錢咁就係你可以用微信或支付寶係咁樣，不過當然都有現金嘅，你都可以用現金俾錢嘅。咁第二個字咧就係流量。咁流量呢個字我從來都未聽講過。咁我問我爹哋，我話：爹哋你知唔知呢個咩？佢又唔知。咁之後我哋去，即係因為我哋需要，即係手機嗰度需要即係 data，like that's like the number one thing。So 嗰個店員，即係嗰個人做嘢個工作人員就問我哋：你想即係你嗰個流量你想係點樣嘅？即係幾多 G 幾多 G 咁樣，我哋先知道。哦，流量呢個字係即係 data 咁嘅意思。So on the internet, like 流量 it's sort of like you're following in some way. That's how I would describe it. I could be wrong, but that's how I understood it. And then another word that I sort of like I knew about, but it took me by surprise. 就係有一次即係嗰陣時我去一個飲品店嗰度買嘢飲，即係一個 boba shop 嗰度買嘢飲。咁個店員即係我嗌咗我個，即係我 order 咗我個嘢啦。咁之後佢就問我：哦，你要唔要波霸？咁之後我就唔知佢講乜嘢，就波霸，波霸，我就咩意思咧？咁之後我就即刻like 知道咗，就係哦波霸，就係佢 sound like boba，所以我就哦我唔要 boba 喺我嗰個 drink 嗰度。我講OK，咁之後我先就所以就呢啲好多 surprise 咗我嘅地方。So yeah，咁你哋學即係中文嗰陣時，或廣東話嗰陣時，或有咩字即係你哋即係新嘅嗰啲 character 你新學嘅，即係你未可能書本都冇嘅，不過你講嗰陣時先學到新嘅字。Yeah. So anyways, this is day 5 of this challenge, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!